Hi, I'm in Kingston and I'm inviting you to the next residual stress workshop we're hosting with the University of Bristol here in the UK at the beginning of April. This will be our 7th workshop and is the only one available worldwide covering the main residual stress measurement and modelling techniques through a series of lectures, lab demonstrations and facility visits. Our aim is to develop your understanding of the measurement techniques, enabling you to better define your test programs and interpret the results as a knowledgeable user. In order to do this, we're bringing together acknowledged experts, leaders and pioneers in residual stress measurement and modelling to convey the basics, details and application know-how of the most important and widely used techniques through a series of lectures here at the University of Bristol. Towards the end of the workshop, we'll then look into the applicability and usefulness of the measurement and modelling techniques in real industrial applications, which this year includes our new topic on additive manufacturing. Interspersed between the lectures will be a number of lab demonstrations of the measurement techniques in order to support them and help you better understand the practical aspects of their processes. Throughout the lab demonstrations, a bent beam calibration sample will be measured by the different techniques in order to provide extra insight into a program of measurements and how they might be combined to achieve a robust set of results for further use. As well as the lab demonstrations, we will visit the UK's neutron and synchrotron diffraction facilities near Oxford in order to better appreciate how best to access and use them. Finally, the 4-day workshop will provide plenty of time before, during or after the working day to make new contacts and discuss experiences, issues and solutions with all the participants, experts and delegates alike, to improve your understanding and better prepare for your programs ahead. So please register now for the 7th Residual Stress Workshop to secure your space, and I look forward to meeting you. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.